Now, in this part, I'll tell you how to take readings with the help of screw gauge. We'll take two examples now. Look at this. जो मेरे पास स्क्रू गेज है ना, उसका जीरो एरर पॉजिटिव है. We have already calculated that, and it is 0.03 millimeter. How much it is? Plus 0.03 millimeter. Okay? Now, look at this now. ये राइटिंग पैड है और मुझे with the help of screw gauge you have to find out the thickness of the writing pad. Okay? So what I will do, I will hold the writing pad between P and Q. मैंने बोला था ना स्टर्ड है, प्लेन सरफेसेस है P and Q, उसके बीच में इसको होल्ड करना है. लुक एट दिस नाउ, सी आई विल कीप इट लाइक दिस एंड जस्ट टाइट. देखो ऐसे होल्ड करना है. Okay? So the writing pad, it is held between P and Q. Now, there are three important readings: main scale reading, circular scale division, and circular scale reading. Okay? Now, how will you take main scale reading? Just mark my words. Main scale reading is that reading which has been crossed by edge of the circular scale. I repeat, main scale reading is that reading which has been crossed by edge of the circular scale. For example, suppose if you find edge of the circular scale lies between 1 millimeter and 2 millimeter, so it has crossed 1 millimeter but not 2, so reading आएगा 1 millimeter. Suppose if it lies between 2 and 3, so it has crossed 2 but not 3, तो रीडिंग आएगा 2 millimeter. I'll show you that. In this case, look at it. Just see that. Here, look at it. Here on the main scale, देखो ये main scale है. Main scale में 0, 1, 2. ये जो एज है ना सर्कुलर स्केल का एज, it is between 2 and 3. It has crossed 2 on the main scale. देखो 0, 1, 2, but not 3. इसका मतलब यहाँ मेन स्केल रीडिंग कितना हो गया? 2 millimeter. So here in the first column, main scale reading है ना, either here I'll write down 2. What is the unit? Millimeter. Okay? Now, circular scale division. You know there are 100 divisions. Out of 100 division, one division will exactly coincide with reference line. उसका नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है. तो यहां कितना है देखो, लुक एट ना. इफ यू फाइंड आउट दिस, लुक एट ना देखो, यहां देखो सी, ये 0 है, 1 है, सेकेंड लाइन कोइंसाइड है, 0 के बाद सेकेंड, तो सेकेंड डिवीजन कोइंसाइड हो रहा है. देखो लुक एट ना देखो, 0, 1 एंड 2, सेकेंड डिवीजन कोइंसाइड हो रहा है. तो हियर आई विल राइट डाउन 2. What is circular scale reading? Circular scale division into least count. तो circular scale least count कितना है? 0.01. तो ये कितना आएगा मुझे बताओ? 2 into 0.01 यानी 0.02. Main scale reading and circular scale reading ऐड करना है आपको. तो कितना है observed reading? 2.02. Okay? Now corrected reading. What is corrected reading? Observed reading माइनस क्या आएगा? 0 एरर. 0 एरर तो पॉजिटिव है, तो करेक्टेड रीडिंग कितना आएगा मुझे बताओ? ये 2.02 है माइनस 0.03. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस विल बी, करेक्टेड रीडिंग विल बी 1.99 millimeter. Please remember. How much it is? 1.99 millimeter. Okay? So here answer will be 1.99. What is the unit here? Millimeter. And here also it is in millimeter. Okay, this is one example. There is one more example in the notes. in the PDF notes of vernier caliper and screw gauge देखो, I'll just read it for you. Look at it, and we'll simplify it now. Look at this now. Notes में क्या दिया देखो, look at it. Problem number 3 है वो. It says that circular scale has 50 divisions. Circular scale has 50 divisions and उसका pitch दिया आपको 0.5 मिलीमीटर दिए. तो मेरे पास pitch है, number of divisions है, तो मुझे list count मिलेगा देखो. Okay? Now, for the initial setting का मतलब समझा? When these two, look at it, when P and Q are in contact with each other. For the initial setting, fifth division है ना, fifth division of the circular scale, it coincides with the reference line. तो as I said, suppose division 2 रहेगा, 3 रहेगा, 4 रहेगा, 5th रहेगा, इसका मतलब 0 lies below the reference line. तो 0 error क्या रहेगा मुझे बताओ? पॉजिटिव रहेगा. देखो 5th line coincide हो रहा है, तो पॉजिटिव 0 error आप कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? What is the division coincide now? देखो 5 into 0 point है ना, 5 into list count. We'll find out that list count. और उसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो अपने को 0 error मिलेगा. Okay? Then, when the sphere is held between the two jaws, you have been asked to find out the diameter of the sphere. So when I hold the sphere between P and Q, main scale reading is 1 millimeter. Main scale reading दिया है 1 millimeter दिया है. And 25th division of circular scale coincides with reference line. You have been asked to find out the diameter of the sphere. Okay? तो अभी देखो, look at it. First, here, look at this. What will be the least count? आपको pitch दिया है 0.5 मिलीमीटर. कितना डिवीजन है सर्कुलर स्केल में? 50. So 0.5 upon 50 is 1 upon 100. तो लीस्ट काउंट कितना है अपना? 0.01 मिलीमीटर है. जीरो एरर, पॉजिटिव है, जीरो एरर. देखो तो जीरो एरर कितना आएगा बोलो? 0 एरर. इनिशियल सेटिंग में विच डिवीजन कोइंसाइड्स विद द रेफरेंस लाइन? 5. इसका मतलब वो 0 है ना, रेफरेंस लाइन के नीचे, पॉजिटिव है, 0 एरर इनटू लीस्ट काउंट, यानी 0 एरर कितना आया? प्लस 0.05. ओके? नाउ मेन स्केल रीडिंग कितना था? व्हेन यू होल्ड द स्फीयर बिटवीन P and Q, मेन स्केल रीडिंग था 1 मिलीमीटर. विच डिवीजन कोइंसाइड सर्कुलर स्केल में? 25. 25 into 0.01. इसको मैंने 25 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो कितना आएगा? 0.25. This and this main scale reading added to circular scale reading 1.25. Okay? Now how will you get corrected reading? Observed reading is 1.25 minus 0.05. तो आंसर कितना आएगा? 1.20 मिलीमीटर. Got it ना? तो here my answer is 1.20. Diameter of the sphere is 1.20 millimeter. In both the example, I have considered positive 0 error. But you will come across an example where screw gauge has negative 0 error also. तो नेगेटिव में आप क्या करेंगे? माइनस ऑफ माइनस यानी ऐड करेंगे. देखो जैसे मैंने वर्नियर कैलिपर में बताया था, इन द इंस्ट्रूमेंट इफ देयर इज अ नेगेटिव 0 एरर, तो उस नेगेटिव 0 एरर को आपको ऑब्जर्व्ड रीडिंग में ऐड करना है टू गेट द करेक्टेड रीडिंग. ओके? सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट स्क्रू गेज. ओके? नाउ एज आई सेड इन द बिगिनिंग, देखोगे वर्नियर कैलिपर एंड स्क्रू गेज आपको डिटेल में पढ़ना है, एंड स्पेरोमीटर इन शॉर्ट. Now what are the questions they will ask about sperometer? Sperometer का भी principle same as screw gauge. It is also based on the principle of screw only. But they won't ask you in detail about sperometer. They will just ask you the application of sperometer. तो sperometer का application क्या है? तो sperometer is used to find out the radius of curvature of the curved surface. Please remember that. And it is also used to find out the height or depth of the curved surface. वो height और depth को एक common word है, उसको sagitta बोलते हैं. Look at it. What is it called? It is called as sagitta. S-A-G-I-T. Sagitta बोलते हैं. Okay? Sperometer का use खाली ध्यान में रखना. It is used to find out radius of curvature of the curved surface, or it is also used to find out depth or height of the curved surface. Commonly it is called as sagitta. Okay? Now, there is an equation for that. Capital R का एक equation है. R is equal to, that you have to remember, L square upon 6h plus h by 2. Where L is the average distance between the legs of the sperometer. Sperometer has got 3 legs. So you find out the distance between the 3 legs. उसको add करो, divide by 3. So you will get the average distance between the legs. So L stand for average distance between the legs. H is sagitta. Okay? And what is R stand for? R is the radius of curvature of the curved surface. If R is given to you, then you have to find out H. If H is given to you, then you have to find out R. But you have to remember this equation. I repeat once again. What does R stand for? Radius of curvature of the curved surface. What is L stand for? Average distance between the legs of the sperometer. And what is H stand for? H is sagitta. Either it is height or depth of the curved surface. Okay?